In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the itch.io error missing token quickly and safely. This issue can happen when your browser session gets corrupted, when cookies are causing a login problem, or when the desktop app has a cache issue. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try, and most of the time one of them solves the problem right away. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Let's get started. First, try the fastest fix. Clear your browsing data. Open your browser settings, go to privacy or history, and clear your cache and cookies completely. If you don't want to delete everything, at least make sure cookies and cached site data for itch.io are removed. Then close the browser fully and reopen it. After that, go back to itch.io and try again. If the error still appears, try using an incognito or private window. This is useful because it starts with a fresh session and bypasses old cookies that may be causing the missing token error. Just open a private window, sign in again if needed, and test the action one more time. Next, if you are posting a devlog or uploading content, avoid pasting images directly from your clipboard into the text box. Instead, use the upload image tool built into itch.io. Pasted clipboard images can sometimes trigger upload or token issues, especially if the page session is unstable. Uploading the image properly is a much more reliable method and can prevent the error from happening again. Now, if you are using the itch.io desktop app, the next step is to check the app itself. Open the desktop client settings and look for a cache clearing option. If the app has stored broken session data, clearing the cache can fix the missing token error. After clearing the cache, restart the app and try your download or upload again. If the desktop app still gives you trouble, the simplest workaround is to download or install games directly from the itch.io website instead of the app. The website version is often more stable and can help you confirm whether the issue is with the app or with your account session. If the browser method works but the app does not, that is a strong sign the desktop cache or app session is the problem. In that case, you may want to reinstall the app or continue using the website until the issue is resolved. To recap, if you see the itch.io missing token error, start by clearing your browser cache and cookies, then try a private window. Use the upload image tool instead of pasting images, and finally clear the desktop app cache or use the website directly. These steps solve the issue for most users without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is running into the same itch.io error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.